Everything's getting more complicated. What's wrong with Hannah? Look at Bun. He's really confused about what to do. What a useless doctor. What's that? Ew! Have you lost your mind, Kohler? Don't worry, it's just a harmless joke. You want to scare your friend? The first step is to put the mixture of coffee, hot water, jelly flour into the syringe, then pump it into the straw. Separate the biscuits from its layer cream and shred them. Now put the jelly into the shredded cookies. Wow, looks so real. Good job, girls. I've been waiting for this moment. This holiday will be full and lit.
Pretty good.
What else? There. This is an invitation, right? I'm wealthy now. Thief cannot forget the multitasking log. Oh no, Thief. Huh. Don't think of escaping, son. Hey, here's the log. Wait, something's not right. Forgive me, I beg you. I didn't do anything. Bun hasn't got out of his habit yet. He's still sing again. You are so done today. Don't rush. That's dangerous. Better kill all, then release one. Hey, don't ruin my nails. Don't worry, it's fine. This is fine. I have to teach you a lesson. Artificial nails and colors. Everything is getting more exciting.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'll make it out for you. Should stop now. Watch out next time. What is Bun doing? Here's the nail trick. Do I look like Monkey? If I scare Hannah with this, she'll be so shocked. I've already felt excited just by thinking. Bun is about to get into trouble. I think there will be a battle here. Stop! I surrender! Learn a lesson yourself. Think you can trick me? Can I have a bite? In your dream.
Nope.
It's always great to eat on this line. What are you eating? Huh, I can do it with eyes shut. Do you want to deny now? You too. Huh, you think you are the only one having food? It's because you're too mean, Bun. Wow, she's pretty. Hey, be careful. I'm not alone anymore. Wake up. Am I dreaming? Is it real? Don't you know who she belongs to? Stay away from me next time. I'm really in battle.